card.
Move it?
Nah, this thing. Like that. Alright. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy C's2Fly, back in another video. And today, we're doing a mukbang. Can you introduce yourself?
My name's Z. I'm just a friend. And I brought some, what is this? Original hot Wingstop.
And then I got honey barbecue boneless wings.
With barbecue sauce on the side.
Oh yeah, barbecue sauce on the side. That's how you supposed
And I
to do
got
it.
ranch, like a normal person. Okay.
You got extra barbecue.
Extra
I'm
barbecue.
eating first, or are we asking?
We can do both.
Okay.
So we're gonna ask each other a couple questions. We're so basically in a hot seat right now. You wanna go first? Ask the question.
No, you go
wanna
first.
go first?
I'm taking a bite.
Alright. What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
I would say, wait, like me doing or
It
no
could
matter.
be, yeah.
Okay.
You.
Something in like a public bathroom or breaking the headboard.
Okay.
It's your turn. Okay. What's something you've always wanted to do with somebody but haven't yet? And explain it in detail.
Something. Say it again.
Something you've always wanted to do to somebody but haven't yet, and explain it in detail.
Like in a freeway.
Yeah.
I wanted like with someone. I wanted like 3 girls. Back to back to back.
Zoom in on camera, please.
Like here one, the other one, the other one.
That's nasty, bro.
It's not.
That's disgusting.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
That's nasty.
You know how many people probably did that?
I don't care how many people have done it. It's nasty. I don't like that. That's nasty.
No. How?
2's already pushing it. 2 in my mind is like disgusting too, but like 3.
You just 3.
What do you even do with that? You're just putting your dick in. Like, that's nasty.
The 2 girls is doing something while I'm in the other one, then the other one's going to reverse it.
I'm gonna cry.
I like this.
I don't like this. Anyway, go ahead to the next question because you just disturbed my peace. No, what?
I think you already answered that. What's the outrageous place you did it at? What's the outrageous place you did it at? Like, all the times you did it, like, what's the most outrageous place you did it at? Like, oh, I did it here. Like, why would I do it here?
Can't think of nothing right now. Drawing blanks. Hold on. I feel like that's lame though.
Like
You already said that.
You already said it? Like the
Yeah.
outrageous place?
Yeah, like, because you asked what was the most freakiest, and it's kind of like
the
went out.
similar same.
Yeah. We're gonna skip that.
Yeah,
And I'm gonna go to you. Let me ask you something. And I'm gonna think
Alright.
on that one.
Alright.
Because I can't think of nothing right now. Okay. Do you believe a relationship is supposed to be 50-50?
Okay, I can answer this. But, like, you saying, like, bills wise?
Like everything. Like, what things do you think aren't 50-50, and what things do you think, if you think anything, you're saying?
For like bills wise, if I feel like I have it like financially stable, yeah, I'm gonna pay it all. Like it's cool, but you gotta do your part, meaning that like cook, clean, all that type of stuff. Like when we usually do when the man pays all the bills. But it's like going. That's true. Like if I'm paying the bills, at least you could cook and clean. Like you want me to come home and cook too.
So we have kids and they're taking care of all the kids.
I'm paying the bills. You're just taking care of the kid. You could cook.
You know how.
You're literally not paying a dime on the bills. Like,
that's
I'm
not.
paying it. But like, I just answered the question, right? Yeah. But like, if we're going out, it's like not paying consistently. Like, I'll be like, one time you I'll like pay something like that because I'm always gonna like pay. But it'd be cool, like if that person like
So
offers.
you just expect them to cook and clean and
Cook.
take care of kids if there's
If I had a kid, yeah.
I mean,
But
I
yeah,
don't 100% agree, but
Why? That's
I
not
just
part
feel
of the question, but I just want to hear.
I just feel like sometimes, yeah, you can like want a clean home to come home to and everything, but you shouldn't expect it like from somebody just because you're paying for things, because that's a choice that you're making. And if she don't want to, if she don't want to clean up, then she don't want to clean up. I don't know.
Yeah,
I do agree though that like if you are paying like most of the bills, you could at least do something, but I don't think that it should be like you have to do this because I'm doing this, you know?
Yeah, I understand that, but when it's like you're communicating with that person, it really is though.
What do you mean?
Like if I'm communicating, I'm paying the bills. You're not paying no bills. All I want you to do is clean, cook.
If you tell them that, they agree.
Yes.
I was gonna say, if they're agreeing, then yeah.
Yes,
if they're like, I
agreeing.
don't want to do that.
Oh, that's different. Then
Okay, that's what I'm talking
yeah, then
What do you mean, get out?
It's the next,
about. Get out.
it's the next one up.
What do you have for kids? Like
The next one up is so crazy.
No, if I had a kid, that's different. If I had a kid, I'm not
The
thinking
next
of
one
me
up,
having
y'all
a
heard
kid.
that? Interesting.
It's-
He instigated, bro.
That's basically like That's basically like using me though.
it's not.
Cause I'm paying the bills and you're not gonna coming home tired, 8, 10, 12-hour shift, overtime doing that. You can't even do that. And I'm not speaking on me having kids because I don't have a kid yet, so I wouldn't even understand that part yet. But I'm talking about just me, my girl. It's like I'm paying all the bills and you can't even just do that. That's what I'm saying. But I understand your point of view.
I understand yours. To answer the question earlier, I thought about it, and my answer is a dressing room. That is definitely like that I can think of off the top of my head, the craziest spot I've been to.
Dang. Okay.
Anyway, go ahead and ask the next one. I'm so awkward.
Who was your last body?
I'm not name dropping.
I think you said it was.
Didn't we just agree we're not kissing and telling?
Yeah.
We did that.
We
Yeah,
said that.
We did.
You're messy, bro. You need to come up with another question.
I thought you said you didn't care.
I don't care, but I'm not gonna name drop if you're not gonna name drop. Well, I look like the only one to name drop it. Like,
Oh,
hell no.
okay.
Hell no.
Okay.
Absolutely not.
I'm gonna go back and find another question. You ask yours.
Okay. How do you figure out what's your partner likes during sex? Describe in detail. And I'm talking about first time you're having sex with them.
Dang.
How do you
that's a
figure out
great
what they like?
Yeah, I think got me on that one. Say it again. Dang.
So if you like first time with a partner, you're having sex with them for the first time. How do you figure out what they like? You just try it or what? Let us know in detail.
Dang. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna try it. All the positions that I experienced, I know. Then like telling her face or like the way she like acting, I'm gonna assume that she liked it. That's the only way I could really know. Or after I'm done with that, whatever I'm doing, she tells me after, or I ask her. For real. Yeah.
After?
I mean, yeah, like, how do you like it? Like, that's why I be like, I want to know. Like, before I go, I don't want you calling your friend. Like, oh, just.
I can't.
That's a fact. Girls do that. If it's not good,
It's wild.
yeah, you're not gonna call your like.
You know that?
I'm not gonna even hit him no more. He this and that, and like.
Well, I mean, I feel like if it's like you're building up to get there and then it's wild, that I understand, but I don't know.
Oh, that's
Asking
good.
after to me is a little warning.
Corny is
It
asking
is.
like how.
Because it's like, imagine you just like had sex with somebody. And imagine it from a woman's perspective. They're like, so how was it? Nigga, did I finish or did I not? Like, you know, I feel like you can tell all physical cues. Like, if she finishes, then
Yeah.
you know you did your job, you know?
Yeah.
I just feel like asking after is
That's corny too.
Yeah, well, to me. And I think most women don't like women are like, so, you know?
Yeah.
I personally don't like that. I'm like,
No.
you would know if I don't like, I'm gonna be like, get off me, you know?
Mhm.
I just feel like that, but, you know, that's your perspective.
Yeah.
Your turn. And you need to catch up on your
I do.
food vibes, because I'm tearing this shit up. Y'all, this is the other day. I only have one left.
All right, 4 left.
So good.
What's the toxiest thing you ever did?
Toxic. I would say like, I don't know. I had sex with my 2 bodies, right? Because I had 3, and 2 of them, well, all of them were long-term relationships, but 2 of them, I kind of like, my first body was, you know, whatever. And I kind of just was like curious on if my second body was better than my first body.
Yeah.
So I went and I tested that 3 out. I think that's the grimiest like that
So
I
you
could think of.
tested it out?
I did.
Out of the 2? So which one?
I would say number 2 was better than number 1.
Ooh.
But I think it was just because of a height difference, you know?
Yeah. That
I think it was a height difference that affected it. I do.
don't make no sense though.
It do make sense.
That's a joke.
It do make sense.
Height?
It do. It do.
Oh, that's one. That could be one of my questions. But I did miss one. You got you?
That's me. That's my turn. Thank God. What is the wildest thing, wildest thought you've had about someone that you've never told anyone and explained in detail?
A wildest thought?
Yep, like you're sitting there daydreaming about how you're gonna do somebody and explain it in detail. That you've never told nobody. I'm talking about like craziest things you've ever thought to do to somebody.
Dang, that's crazy. That's a hard one. I don't really get like that.
Oof.
My craziest thought that I would do to somebody.
No lie.
I feel like we're boring. Are we boring? Are we being boring?
I feel like it's entertaining. But that question got to me though.
You wanna come back to it?
Yeah, I'm gonna come back to that one. I gotta think of that. Cause I don't really get into that. Are we on the fifth one?
Yeah, I think we've been to the last one.
Oh, this one is regular. Out of all my pictures and the stuff I post, like, what would you rate me out of 10?
Let's go look again. Hold on. Just say out of your pictures or in IRL?
Like, both.
Oh, okay.
Like, in real life, too.
We're gonna look at the Instagram. I'm gonna show y'all what we're looking at. I forgot your username.
D.
D. Oh, here. Okay. You only have your birthday post up.
Yeah,
But I mean, there's nothing wrong with the face. So, I mean, I don't think you're like ugly or anything. So I'm gonna give you like a 9. You're a 9. You're not ugly.
Cool.
You're cute. Okay. It's my turn?
Your turn.
Crap. I'm running out of questions, y'all. Okay. What's the craziest thing you've ever done to someone and explain it in detail? It can be sexual or it can just be outright outrageous. Like I'm talking about like it could be a dude and like you slimed him or something, or it could be a girl or something sexual, you know? Either. The craziest thing you've ever done to somebody. Any gender.
Craziest thing I ever did.
Like, did you do a backflip off of somebody's shoulder? Like
No.
something crazy.
I backflipped. I was young and I did a backflip on a bike.
I'm talking about a person.
Oh,
you did to somebody. Like, did you?
Oh, the crazy thing.
That's valid.
Remember?
Yeah.
Remember? I'm crying. Well, I'm on all the questions, so
I didn't have all of them.
I think that is. You didn't answer.
Which one to answer?
I don't know. Hold on.
It was one I didn't answer. You're right.
The wildest thought about somebody
Wildest thought.
that you've never told anybody. Like the craziest thing. Like try to think back on any crushes you've had. Anything like the craziest thing you've thought about anybody.
The wildest thought. I didn't get my Chrome Heart jacket back for somebody, and I wanted to get it back, and I never got it back. So I wanted to.
That's not the wildest thought.
I'm talking about like.
That is, you know.
No, I'm talking about you sitting there and like thinking about a girl and you like the things I would do to her.
Oh,
you know? The wildest thought.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'm tripping. Okay. They're gonna think I'm slow. I'm gonna have to edit this out quick.
I'm crying.
No, keep it in.
You ain't. Man.
Where was I at? I'm trying to remember. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not trying to lie.
I think you should lie.
Yeah, I think I should lie.
About this one, I think you should.
Well,
I would.
Don't lie.
You owe me mango jacket fruit.
Eliminate 2 times 2. Go ahead and lie.
That's around $14.
$12.50.
$12.50.
What? For
our
two
summer
drinks.
drinks.
2 drinks, $14?
If you choose
$12.50.
I personally would take the risk only because people will be viewing this.
Hey, look, guys. This is the end of the video.
I'm crying.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Like and subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Turn on post notifications and drop a comment below.
Yeah. So
And make sure y'all follow my
videos.
gram.
Say it.
I don't. They're gonna get confused. I'm gonna just show them.
Show them, okay.
My name's a little too difficult. This is me with my fat ass, y'all. You should come like my post and go comment and follow me. I might
That's
follow
right.
back if you're a girl.
Oh. You don't follow those?
I don't follow this. I gotta know you to follow you as a man.
Or you're like a dumbbell?
Okay.
Turn it off.
Cool.
Yeah.
So you're getting a Starbucks?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Yay!